Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need, so begin now. Sign into the Themes app and pick a base template to avoid starting from blank. Once selected, upload your logo and import 2 fonts. Make sure color hex codes are ready. Click Create New Theme and name it clearly. This first action establishes structure, so work deliberately, organize assets into folders as you upload them, and set a temporary thumbnail. Doing that saves time during the detailed edits coming next. Now focus on the core. Refine the layout grid and set gutters so components align across breakpoints. Next, apply typography rules. Choose sizes for H1, H2, body, and set line height and font weight scales for responsive text. Then map colors to roles: primary, secondary, accent, background, and interactive states. Assign contrast-checked values. Once done, preview across screen sizes and tweak spacing. These central decisions determine consistency, so iterate until components look balanced and accessible in the live preview. Finalize by exporting the theme package with assets, CSS variables, and a short README that states the version and usage notes. Publish to staging and test 3 representative pages on desktop and mobile. Verify fonts, colors, and interactions. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Clear the browser cache, rebuild compiled assets, and check the console for errors. These steps fix most issues. Make sure to document the fix and increment the version before deploying to production, so rollbacks remain simple and traceable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.